All right, let's run through equities. Started to tail there on oil, right into that resistance. So I'm still a little bit long S&Ps. We had some good signals at Pi last week, just to move to a new high. Just hourly held Pi again. I don't have any Russell. Well, I still have some Russell puts, but if I had some futures on short of Russell, I'd either be covering some of that here, or buying some more S&Ps. But I'm pretty light right now. I'm gonna wait for some more movement just because it's after the holiday. But did book some gains on I guess I booked some IWM puts late last week. I still have some on. I don't think you reshort any Russell till back up in this zone. I think that looks a little bit better. Some resistance here. Let's see. That was pretty firm. It's the same story in equities. Just continue to grind to higher lows and higher highs. Our monthly cycle still cycling up. Long-term charts, obviously, we were right in the earshot of the all-time highs. This weekly's trying to roll over. I mean, there's definitely a lot of risk to this stuff. You know, we've had a pretty, I mean, it's been really an epic bounce off the lows we had in such a dramatic fashion. So it wouldn't take much for the VIX to spike and some of this complacency to come out of the market. I want to watch the 8 on the weekly. I want to continue to watch kind of the 8 on the daily. Now this TMS level on S&Ps is actually down here. So you can see there's a decent amount of room. You know, there's a higher low from last week here. That's kind of right on the 8. So you still got a lot of work to do to break this market down. You'd have to kind of take out the bands here. Any type of move back into the bands is probably going to be followed by a bounce. I guess on that note, we can look at the VIX. Nikkei was pretty high. I think the futures rolled. So both times front month really sold off into the new contract. Our last buy signal on the VIX wasn't too shabby. I don't see much of an edge to do anything now. If we get the front month back down into a 12 handle, then that's the time to look to buy calls. Top of the range, still 16, 17. Still have a 5-point range on the VIX. But anytime we're kind of below 15, we kind of move into that low vol environment, you know. This is where everything changed here. Now we're Now we're back in the southern hemisphere. If you guys had any short VIX calls, that was the right move down here at 12. I think we'll do some of the individual names on the open. So kind of leave it at that for now. Maybe we'll do bonds now.